Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on your DreameTV. To access the Fastboot mode on your TV, first we're gonna have to unplug our TV from the power outlets, and after that start holding down the power button, which is located right underneath your TV. So just press and hold it, and while holding it, reinsert the power cord into the power outlet, and then you will see the LED indicator at the bottom of your TV screen, and once it goes off and your TV display starts shining a little, just release the power button and wait for the recovery mode to appear on your TV screen. Here in the recovery menu, we're gonna have to select Enter Fastboot option. Now you can navigate here using up and down arrow keys and select using the middle D-pad key. So navigate to Enter Fastboot option and press OK. And right now you are in the Fastboot mode. Here at the top you can see all of your Fastboot specifications, and if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, just select either power off option at the bottom or reboot system now at the top and press OK, and then your TV will restart. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.